Hey everyone, welcome back to Triple P Designer. Today I'm excited to share some incredible resources for high quality icons that can elevate your design projects. Whether you are building a website, crafting a mobile app, or simply looking for to add some unique elements to your visually, and these icon resources will be a game changer for your workflow. Let's dive in and explore the best icon collection of 2024. First up, we have all-in-one icon library that offers an extensive range of style from minimalistic to complex designs. This site has thousands of icons in various formats, perfect for use in web and app development. These icons are versatile and customizable, allowing you to adjust color, size, and even animation. Whether you are designing for a social media or enterprise apps, this site has an icon set for every project. Our next site specialized in SVG icons, offering designers the flexibility of scalable, lightweight icons. SVG icons are perfect for responsive designs since they are retain their quality on screen of all sizes. This resource provides an array of unique and customization icons in SVG format, ideally for web applications, dashboards, and infographics. SVG files are not only adaptable but also easy to manipulate using CSS, so they are the must have for the modern responsive design projects. The third resource on our list offers bold and creative icon set that brings personalized to any projects, from colors, playful icons to elegant and minimalistic options. This site offers icons with a bit of extra flair. These icons are great for designers looking to add creative to their projects, especially for creative websites, apps, and marketing materials. With a focus on colors, shapes, this icons resource is perfect for making a memorable impact on your audience. Next, we have a unique collection of CSS only icons designed without any image or JavaScript. These icons are perfect for lightweight projects where you want to reduce load time while keeping your design simple and effective. Since these are crafted entirely with CSS, they can be easily styled and adjusted for different sizes and colors. This site CSS icons are ideally for developers looking for functional yet visually appealing icons with minimalistic resource and requirement. Finally, we have a well-known icon resource from a major tech company that provides a massive library of icons optimized for contency across web and mobile applications. These icons flow material design principle, ensuring a cohesive look and feel the enhanced user experience, perfect for projects that provides clarity and consistency. This collection has icons for nearly every use case, from navigation buttons to social media symbols. And there you have it, 5 incredible resources for icons that every designer should know about. I hope you found some new tools and inspiration from this project. Make sure you like and please kindly do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more design tips and resources. Follow me on social media for every more updates on this latest trends. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video, guys.